Fusion is for those who are interested in getting a window on the future, on where the next set of great ideas are likely to have a profound impact on the future of medicine, on the future of the life sciences.
Ponder this. Within the next 25 years, it is more likely than not that genomics will have led us towards a cure for many cancers, that stem cell research will transform treatment of diabetes, that basic research will make possible a vaccine for Alzheimer's, and that we will have the means to control AIDS.
And at Harvard, we have very rich communities, both in businesses and science. So Fusion was created to see if we brought these communities together, whether we could catalyze the formation of exciting new enterprises.
Most of the important things that are brought to the world, they are brought to the world through some combination of a scientific or technological discovery that then gets combined with a business model, and the two together allow us to bring the greatest discoveries for the benefit of the world.
So each year we bring people together from the university community, from our teaching hospitals, from the business community, from the biotech community, from the venture capital community, and we focus on one topic of mutual interest.
The hope when you convene around a topic is that the discussion or the presentation will start a different thinking process. In order to really have a sparkling discussion, you have to bring people that are not necessarily like-minded.
It's undeniable that aging has been good for business, but the question is whether business has actually been good for aging.
One of the great advantages that we have here in Boston is that we have the densest concentration of talent in the life sciences in the world.
So what is the next challenge? It's not going to be immediately making the cells. We know how to make the cells. We want to now scale up the manufacturing of that and drive the cost down.
Since 1998, there have been 100+ attempts at developing a disease-modifying drug for Alzheimer's, and 99.6% of them have failed.
If no one's going to develop a drug that has to go into a clinical trial that takes so long that by the time there's an outcome, there's no intellectual property, and that is a fact.
Aging populations will exacerbate already existing health disparities, both here in the U.S. and across the globe.
Stem cell transplants of the blood have been something that have been very transformative, brought people really back from the precipice of death.
It is not just the event, it's what happens after the event, and how people follow up with each other and learn from each other and progress the agenda based upon the foundation that is established at Fusion.
This program is hosted jointly by two programs that are well known in the Boston biotech community, the Blavatnik Biomedical Accelerator and the Blavatnik Fellowship in Life Science Entrepreneurship. Now, Lynn knows and understands at a very deep level, great ideas need great champions. It's not enough just to have a great idea.
So one of the personal solutions for staying young for me is to interact with a lot of talented young people. And a lot of my philanthropic activities really to support young scientists, young researchers, fellows at HBS, keep me young and hopefully will keep us young in the future.
Because in the end, we do science, we do scholarship for a number of reasons. One, because we're curious, but we also do it because it has the opportunity to really change the world in fundamental and important ways.